Hello and good evening. Um, Remember, I'm Mr. Primus. I want us to look at mathematics. Today we are going to use one stone to kill two birds. We're going to do change of subject and as well as completing the square. So let's look at this. Look at this quadratic expression: ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. Look at this. So we are going to make x the subject. At the end of the day, to give us the quadratic formula. So we are going to make x the subject by using completing the square method. After doing it, I'm going to solve one or two questions using completing the square method. So please go with me as we move now. The first thing we do, I'm going to make it very brief, very simple. We are going to, this one has x, this has x. So let's move this one to this side. So we have ax squared plus bx equal to plus c. Coming here becomes minus c. This is the first step. Move this. Because these ones have x, so move this better like this. Now, the coefficient of x squared is a. We are going to divide through by a. Any number here is what we divide all these by. So over a, over a, over a. So a can cancel a. This remains x squared plus bx over a equal to minus c over a. We have done two things now. So the next step, the coefficient of x is b over a. In a simple language, let's multiply this by 2. B over a times 2a and square it. Put it at both sides. Look at what I'm going to do now. X squared plus bx over a plus b over 2 times a, 2a raised to power 2. That is, multiply the coefficient of x by half. That is the language. Square it and add to both sides. Multiply the coefficient of x by half. Square it and add to both sides. That is the language. Now, we are going to still bring this thing here. B over 2a raised to power 2 minus c over a. So we have not changed anything. What is done here is what is done here. Alright. So now, we have to factorize this side. Let's factorize this side of the equation. So, in a simple sense of it, simple sense as I do test students, this is raised to power 2. This is raised to power 2. Whatever you do, we take care of this middle term. Look at it. Raised to power 2. Just take x. This one's raised to power 2. Take them as well. B over 2a. Now, both of them raised to power 2. If you expand this, you still get this, exactly this. Now, let's continue. It's equal to b raised to power 2 over 2 raised to power 2 means 2 times 2. That is what? 4. A raised to power 2. This is minus c over a. So we are going to solve this side. What is the LCM of 4a squared and a? Is 4a squared. 4a squared divided by 4a squared is 1. 1 times b squared is what? B squared minus 4a squared divided by a is what? 4a. 4a squared. Let me do it here. Look at it. 4a. That is what 4a squared divided by a. This cancels this. Remains only 4a. So let's still clean it because it's not part of our. So it remains what? 4a times c. 4ac. So this is what we have now. So now let's bring this down. Let's bring this. X plus b over 2a raised to power 2. Look, to remove this raised to power 2, we are going to take square root of both sides. Square root of this side, square root of this side. So we write it like this. Square root of bracket x plus b over 2a. Now, raised to power 2 is equal to, because we are bringing square root here, we write plus minus. We are bringing square root here, we write plus minus. That is the rule. Square root of all these. B square minus 4ac all over 4a square. So this will cancel this. This thing will now come out. So let's look at it here. Let's continue there. So we are bringing this x plus b over 2a. X plus b over 2a is equal to all these. So we can look at this. Look at this. Plus minus square root of. This one is a perfect square. And we can also have a square root of a square. So we write these ones. B square minus 4ac all over over square root of 4 here is 2. Square root of a raised to power 2 as we learnt will remain only a. Alright. So we have this now. We have almost finished it. X plus b over 2a. Let's collect like terms. So this one will come to this side. We have x is equal to plus coming here becomes minus b over 2a plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac. All these over 2a. What is the LCM here? It is 2a. So write x equal to LCM is 2a. 2a divided by 2a, 1. 1 times minus b is what? Minus b. Plus minus square root of 2a divided by 2a, 1. 1 times all these, b square minus 4ac. Here we have been able to solve by completing the square. Now x is the subject of the formula finally, and we have used completing the square to solve this. So this is good. Now hold on. We are going to now solve one quadratic expression using completing the square. Let's do it now. Please don't forget to subscribe.